Hi there, students. To occlude, a verb, an occlusion, a noun, occluded, an adjective. Okay, the meaning of occlude is easy. It means to block, to jam up, to obstruct. So if you eat too much cholesterol, then your veins will become occluded. They'll get blocked. The roads are occluded with traffic in the morning and evening rush hours. They're blocked. Okay, to occlude, to fill up, to clog. They built a tall block of flats in front of my house, and this occluded my beautiful view of the sea. Okay, so yeah, my view was occluded. I couldn't see it anymore. So to occlude, to close up or block off. Yeah, the flow of water was occluded by impurities in the water. To occlude, to conceal, to hide. So he used makeup to occlude his black eye, yeah, to cover it so that it it couldn't be seen. Okay, that also goes with the view, with my example of the block of the flats, occluded my view. Okay, so a flow is occluded. The roadworks occluded the easy flow of traffic down the road. I couldn't see it because it was occluded from my vision. It was hidden. Now, you can also use occlude in a chemical context. To occlude here means to absorb. So, for example, palladium, the metal, is known to occlude large volumes of hydrogen, absorb. And then also an occluded front. This is in weather systems. To occlude, this is when hot air rises. If you have a warm front coming in one direction and a cold front coming in the other, the warm air is pushed up, yeah, and that is an occluded front. It's it's occlusion. The warm air is forced up. Also, there's another use in dentistry. To occlude or occlusion is the way that your teeth join together. When they come into contact, they occlude. So the occlusion of the teeth, the way that they join together. Okay, but chemistry, absorb. Weather, to push up hot air. And dentistry, the way your teeth go together. But to occlude, we use this mainly to mean to block, yeah, occluded arteries. When there is an eclipse of the sun, the moon occludes the sun. It blocks part of the view. The sun was occluded by the clouds. Okay, so to close up, to impede, to obstruct, to jam, or to block, yeah, and then to block out, to screen as well, and those are the main meanings. The other ones I gave you are a bit too far. So to occlude, this is a formal verb. I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. The entrance to the toilet was occluded by big boxes. That sounds unbelievably formal. No, in an informal conversation, blocked. Yeah, blocked or blocked out or screened or something like that. To occlude is a regular verb. The clouds occluded the sun. The moon has occluded the sun, a regular verb. And then as to origin, that's another one that comes from Latin occludere, from ob, as opposed to oc, before, and claudere, to shut, so to shut before. Yeah, well, if something's occluded, either it's blocked or you just can't see it because there's something in the way. Yeah, a lady with an enormous hat occluded my view of the screen in the cinema. And there was a barrier that occluded the free flow of traffic. One lane was closed, and this blocked it up. Your arteries can get occluded from too much cholesterol or other things. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Occlude and occlusion.